Hello friend, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorsHub. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use or how to get started with TestCase Studio Pro version just in simple 4 steps. It's very easy. Just go to this page. I will add this page link in the description, and then compare and take the free trial from here. So you can take the free trial from here as per like your location from wherever you are. Like let's say if you are outside India, take this free trial, any of the one which you want. Once you will take the free trial, you will get the credential in your email id, whichever email id you will use. So this will be your first step. Second step is, here you can click to add pro version in your browser. So then you click on this, and here you will get this. Okay, so let me remove it and then I will add it again. I will show you this because that was already added. So let me add it. Add extension. Simply you just have to add it. Once you will add it, like as usual, I would recommend you restart the browser, then go to any website, and here next of course you will have to pin it to toolbar and click on this. So this is your third step, and now here you have to enter those credential what you have got after taking the free trial. So here you enter the credential. Let's say these are my credential, and then hit login. There you go. That's how you can start using, and now it's straightforward and simple, like isn't like normal test case studio, the free version, which if you have tried. And here you can just start recording, like whatever actions you will be performing, it will start recording here. So this is how you can start with the test case studio pro version. And then there are like lots of more incredible feature inside it, like you can start record this screen, you can download just a screenshot, and lot more features. URL is there, you can explore all these features. So for that I have created a detailed tutorial. Link I will add in the description so that you can watch for, to go and watch all the feature individually, each and every feature in detail. With that, thank you so much. I hope you like this video, and you are enjoying the test case studio pro. And if you haven't tried it yet, do take the free trial and try this one. This is incredible. It will improve your productivity a lot, and this will help you. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.